Hey, my name is Chef Sameh Wadi, and I'm the chef and owner of World Street Kitchen, Milk Jam Creamery, and Grand Catch in Minneapolis. Today, we want to show you a way to utilize product from the exciting new launch of the scoop line. The dish is going to be called Fattet Hummus. It's a very traditional Middle Eastern style breakfast item. We're going to soak pita chips. This is going to be the base of the dish. We're going to warm up our butter with a little bit of almonds. We want the butter to brown a little bit, and I like to use a pretty decent amount of butter. Meanwhile, we're gonna warm up our chickpeas with a tiny bit of water. The almonds are nice and browned, the butter is burnt, exactly what we want. We're gonna add our shawarma, and that part is done. We're gonna take the hummus, add it into the pan, just to warm it up slightly and mix it. So this is supposed to be kind of getting a little soggy. So we're just gonna take our mixture, that on the bottom. Then we're gonna take our hummus, add it up on top. We're gonna garnish with the meat and almonds. And finally, a little bit of chopped parsley and a little bit of green onion. And then a healthy dose of this lovely olive oil. And there you go. So here it is. We have the Fattet Hummus with shawarma. On the bottom of it is the pita chips. Then we have the hummus, the chickpeas that are warmed up together, and then the shawarma meat right on top. Enjoy.